Specialized cells are cells that have adapted to perform specific functions within an organism. These cells have developed unique structures, functions, and behaviors to perform their intended task efficiently. From the millions of different cell types in the human body, specialized cells are the building blocks of tissues, organs, and systems. Specialized cells can be categorized into three main groups: muscle cells, nerve cells, and epithelial cells. Each type of cell performs a distinct function, which allows the body to perform all the necessary activities for survival and growth. Muscle cells. Muscle cells are specialized cells that contract and relax to enable movement. They are elongated and contain a large number of protein filaments called myofibrils, which slide past each other to create tension and movement. Muscle cells can be further divided into three subtypes: skeletal muscle cells, smooth muscle cells, and cardiac muscle cells. Skeletal muscle cells are the largest of the three and are responsible for voluntary movement. They are located in skeletal muscles and are under conscious control. Smooth muscle cells, on the other hand, are found in the walls of organs, such as the stomach and intestines, and are responsible for involuntary movement. Lastly, cardiac muscle cells are only found in the heart and work together to pump blood throughout the body. Nerve cells. Nerve cells, also known as neurons, are specialized cells that transmit signals throughout the body. They have a unique structure that allows them to receive and send signals quickly. Neurons have a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. The dendrites receive signals from other neurons, while the axon sends signals to other cells. Nerve cells are responsible for transmitting information from the sensory organs to the brain, allowing us to perceive and respond to stimuli. They also transmit signals from the brain to muscles, allowing us to move and perform tasks. Epithelial cells. Epithelial cells are specialized cells that line the body's surfaces, such as the skin, mouth, and intestines. They act as a barrier, protecting the body from external factors such as pathogens and regulating the exchange of materials between the body and its environment. Epithelial cells have different shapes and sizes depending on their location and function. For example, skin cells are flat and tightly packed, while cells in the intestines have microvilli to increase their surface area and absorb nutrients more efficiently. In conclusion, specialized cells play a crucial role in the body's overall function, allowing us to perform tasks such as movement, perception, and digestion. The different types of specialized cells have adapted to perform their unique functions efficiently, ensuring the body's optimal performance. Specialized cell in plants. Just like in animals, plants also have specialized cells that have adapted to perform specific functions within the organism. These cells have unique structures and functions that allow them to perform their intended task efficiently. Here are some examples of specialized cells in plants. Parenchyma cells. Parenchyma cells are the most common type of plant cell and are found throughout the plant. These cells have thin cell walls and are responsible for storing and transporting nutrients, water, and minerals within the plant. They also have the ability to divide and differentiate into other types of cells. Parenchyma cells. Parenchyma cells have thicker cell walls than parenchyma cells and provide structural support to the plant. They are elongated cells that form strands or cylinders in different parts of the plant, such as the stems and leaves. Parenchyma cells are particularly important for supporting young and growing tissues. Sclerenchyma cells. Sclerenchyma cells have the thickest cell walls of any plant cell and provide the plant with structural support and protection. They come in two forms, fibers and sclerids. Fibers are long, narrow cells that provide strength and support to plant tissues, while sclerids are short, irregularly shaped cells that form hard, durable structures such as nutshells and seed coats. Xylem cells. Xylem cells are specialized cells that form a network of tubes that transport water and nutrients throughout the plant. They are made up of four different types of cells: tracheids, vessel elements, fibers, and parenchyma cells. Tracheids and vessel elements are elongated cells that form long tubes, while fibers provide structural support and parenchyma cells are responsible for storing and transporting nutrients. Phloem cells. Phloem cells are another type of specialized plant cell that transport nutrients such as sugars and amino acids from the leaves to other parts of the plant. They are made up of four different types of cells: sieve elements, companion cells, fibers, and parenchyma cells. Sieve elements are elongated cells that form tubes for nutrient transport, while companion cells provide energy to the sieve elements and help regulate their activity. In conclusion, just like animals, plants also have specialized cells that have adapted to perform specific functions within the organism. These cells have unique structures and functions that allow them to perform their intended task efficiently and help the plant to grow and survive in its environment. Thank you for watching this video about specialized cells. We hope that you now have a better understanding of the different types of specialized cells in animals and plants, and how they contribute to the overall function and health of the organism. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content like this. Thanks again for watching.